Welcome to It's a Lifestyle Spring Home Decor Edition. I just have a couple of tips that I wanted to give you that you can use to spruce up a spring-inspired look in your home without having to really break the bank and maybe possibly using some of the items that you have around in your home. So these are some things that I picked up to help give me that spring feeling. So one of them is lemons. I got these lemons from one of the sisters from my church, and these came from her backyard, and what I did was just rinse them off, and I had this bowl that I got from TJ Maxx for $14.99, and I thought it was a perfect way to display the lemons but also give you that spring inspired look. Wash them off because, as you know, for some of you who do have the lemons in the backyard, they can get really dirty. So I just wash them, and then I'll go ahead and just put them inside the bowl. And it's a good way to go ahead and let spring be known in your house. And it also, you know, makes things more inviting and just more pretty. And if you have one that looks like this, you could just turn it around. No big deal. And I also like to make it full. No particular number of lemons. I know some people do that, but no, this is just for looks, okay? And the beauty of God's creation. But I always leave one leaf on one, so that way it can look, I don't know, just a little pretty with a little bit of greenery. You can flip it all kinds of ways too, depending. You know, just decorate it how you feel it will look, you know, its cutest. So that is something that you can get from your own backyard. Another thing that I use around my home that help inspire a spring, summer inspired feeling and look is live plants. So for those of you who know, I love succulents. I feel like they are the best plant, whether indoor or outdoor, that you can have. And as you can see, I put it in a white pot. And so the white also helps brighten up just, you know, the look in the home, but having it against this green, just, I mean, I just love it. And it also is something that's alive and can help bring you like that, you know, that feeling of outside inside. And that's what spring's about. Spring's about like, hey, I want to be outside. So this is a way of combining the two. The next thing you can do is go out and buy some new spring candles. They don't have to smell like perfumey or like roses or lilies, but at the same time, maybe find some candles that have a nice like decor on the outside. This one has colors that incorporate yellow, pinks, lavender, as well as green. It's also, it doesn't hurt that it does smell really good. I got this at World Market for $14.99, and it is Plumeria Garden. So if you're ever out and about and you go to your local World Market, this is from the brand Illuminaria, and it is the Plumeria Garden. I love it because it's tall, but also, if you can see, I just love the design on the candle. I've already been burning it. Oh my gosh, I love this smell. And as you can see, that one that's lit behind me is lavender. Lavender is always a good scent and it's calming. But at the same time, I don't really get all into, oh, does it make me calm or anything? I get into the way it looks. You know, is it visually appealing to me? I mean, obviously I don't want something that stinks, but it's a plus that lavender does smell good. And it's in a lavender color, that jar. So I love that look. The next thing that you can do to help spruce up maybe your vibe in the kitchen also is not only think of switching up your decor, but also the things that you use to help motivate you to do your spring cleaning. So what I just picked up from TJ Maxx was this new canister that holds your brushes, and it's called a kitchen dish caddy. Do you see that? What I like about this one, it was $7.99, but what I like about this one is the bottom comes off. So you see that? So when you put the brush in there, the water drains in here, and it has like this airflow. So you know how like your brushes, your sponges can like start smelling because it builds up bacteria? Well, this will help them from building up that bacteria because it'll get that airflow, and they won't just like they won't be sitting in like soaking wet. And the next thing that I picked up was this brush. It's eco-friendly, but I like it because, again, it's just, I don't know, I like it. I feel like it reminds me of spring. It has a white handle with this bamboo, and it's a brush right here. I actually got this tip from my sister-in-law. She was saying that she likes the brushes that's on her, the brush instead of the sponge. It's actually more like sanitary because it's not building up that bacteria. So I was like, hey, might as well get this. I want to feel like, you know, some motivation to continue to like washing dishes and get that whole spring cleaning feel. So why not buy a new brush? And so I liked that tip that she gave me. So you just, when you're done using it, throw it in here. And I just thought that was cute. So don't just limit your home decor options to just decorations. If you need some things that help inspire you around springtime to also motivate you to like clean and sprucing up things, then invest in some of the things that make you feel like cleaning, make you feel happy while doing it. And I'm telling you, it's a win-win. So I hope you like a little bit of those tricks, and let me know in the comment below what you thought about it, and if some of you use the same tips. Please don't forget to subscribe and push the like button. I really do appreciate all of you who have subscribed thus far, those of you who watch my videos. I'm a little YouTuber, so this is something that I like to do as a hobby, but I also love to inspire. So I hope that I can continue to do that. Well, God bless. Bye.